I just don't know, guys. I don't know how to get this out. I don't know how to get my magnet back. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back at the river park downtown. Not really where I wanted to go. I had some other spots lined out that Rose, and I guess Angela, because you can't have a Rose without an Angela, from the Treasure Vixens was helping me find some new spots and do some stuff like that. So that was real cool of them. So shout out to the Treasure Vixens. I'll put a link in the description down below so you guys can go show them some love, because they showed me some love, and they've done some collabs with like outdoor influencer, and so that was pretty cool. Anyway, they were helping me out. I went to one of the spots they suggested. They were looking on my maps, and it was just a creek, and even with the river being as high as it is right now and the water being up, it wasn't that deep, so you could just see the bottom, and there wasn't anything there to find. So I came down here hoping this little patch would be not as flooded, and it is not as flooded as it was last time, because it was all the way up there, like 20 feet. But it's still pretty flooded, but I'm gonna give it a go because it's got a nice strong current again. There's trash that's brought up on here, so I don't know. New day, new treasure, maybe. So we're gonna give that a go. I don't know if I'm gonna stay here very long. There's some steps back down that way that I might give a try. I'll walk down there on the sidewalk, and I don't know. We're gonna see what we can happen. I might get another spot lined out. I don't know. Kind of a dreary day, but that's magnet fishing. You don't always get what you want. So I'm gonna get suited up with the GoPro and everything and get to it. All right, guys. So the good news is we are down a little bit further, and I got the new blue rope, which is 100 feet, so I can get further out there than I can with my orange rope. So. And who knows? Last time I found the wind chime, so maybe I'll find something cool again. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. Got the 1,200 pounds. The rope bunched up, and that wasn't ideal. There's something on there. Ooh. A little nail and a bunch of gobbledygook. Gobbledygook and a nail, maybe. Oh, what do we have here? That's a hefty chunk of metal right there. That's like a metal club, man. Ooh, look at it. You hear that? That's a good sound. That's a good piece of metal. Look at all that. That's crazy. Oh, I think I got that. That's definitely that thing right there. That piece of fence. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I'm moving it. Oh, it's heavy, guys. I remember this from last time in the summer, but I got it. I'm pulling it over. Okay. Maybe we can get it out this time. Pull it over some more, so I don't have to stand in the water. Oh, it's heavy, and I know what it is. It's heavy when it's full of water. I wish I had a second person. Get the other magnet on it. The only other thing I think is, if I can get this unwrapped, I can move up. Are you serious, Rain? I just don't know, guys. I don't know how to get this out. I don't know how to get my magnet back. I just don't know. Oh, thank God. Oh, I got it off. We're going to have to come back for that another day. Oh, I got my magnet back. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, I don't know how long that video was. It's gonna be seriously like an hour and a half fighting with that thing. And I didn't think I was gonna get it or my magnet back. So I'm just gonna have to get my magnet back. Oh. Okay, guys. I almost lost that magnet. That was nuts. I was out there for almost 2 hours fighting with that thing. And I'm like, oh, my GoPro shutting off. I'm like completely drenched. My hair is drenched. My new hat's drenched. It's cool. I got rained on. Luckily, I had like a random shirt in my car, so thank you, Disney World, for that. My jacket's soaked. Like, I'm just soaked, so I'm probably just going home. There's one last spot I wanted to kind of look at today just to see what it looked like, so maybe I'll hop out there and do something real quick, but man, that's the second time that I've gotten a hold of that stupid fence and I just can't get it up. At least the first time is because it kept falling off. This time there's like a ledge under the dock right there and it gets stuck on there and I can't manipulate it. Thank God it came off. Oh, because I tried a couple times to get it off and it wasn't coming off, and I don't know, that last time something happened and it worked. Thank you. So yeah, the Brute Magnetics 1,200 pound magnet is a beast. Like I kind of want like a bigger one, but I'm also kind of scared because that thing's already a beast and I don't know if I can handle something more powerful. So we'll see in the future. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go check out this other spot, see what it looks like, and maybe I'll hop out. If not, I'll tell you that we're not. Yeah. I can't even talk. I'm tired. I'm gonna go drive. All right, guys. This is a spot that haven't been before, but I've looked at it on Google Maps and thought about it. But I've been cautious because this bridge is like a main bridge and there's a lot of activity. But the one side does have like a little sidewalk with a railing, so I would be safe from cars. So I'm gonna go check it out and see how it looks, and then maybe I will do some fishing from it. All right, guys. Let's go. A little bit of walk. I could have drove further up here, I guess. But, man. Get up the stairs. Then carefully go down here. I was going to do it right from this bridge, but you can come down here a little bit. And I thought maybe trying to get on top of this, or I might just go under more. I'm going to apologize for the noise right now because it's going to be crazy. But look at this. So see if we can't find anything. Yeah, it's loud. Hey, I think a spark plug maybe it might have used to been. I don't know. And nothing on that one. Let's go over here. Looks like somebody trying to make a swing. Oh, we got a nail. Oh, railroad spike. Boom. First railroad spike. But I'm not surprised because that over there used to be the old railroad bridge. Oh, hello. Some kind of yellow bits. Some kind of piece of metal. I have no idea what this is, but it is a solid chunk of metal. Interesting how dirty this water is, and it's mixing with the river. Ugh. Coal dust and whatnot. Okay, we're up here now. Big old nail. Another nail. Oh, I'll have to get that one in a minute. Yeah, we might call this spot quits. Oh, and a random bit of metal. All right, guys, it's getting late. I got a lot of stuff to do at the house. I'm gonna go back to the car. All right, guys, I'm home, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, if you enjoyed my suffering today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video. And if you like this video and leave a comment down below, that greatly helps me out. But real quickly, I wanted to share what this, what this wind chime looks like right now. I painted it, added a fake metallic to it. I'm just waiting on the bells, which are coming from India. So I didn't know that when I ordered them, but I don't know. I need to check the tracking today and see if it's updated, but it's been in transit forever and could possibly be like February 14th before I get them. So as soon as I get those, I will attach them to that, get a new chain for it, hang it up, and hopefully it sounds cool and it will look cool. And it will be a neat little restoration that I found in the river. So, yeah, that's how that's going. I just want to tell you about that. I know it's on my TikTok and it's on my Instagram, but it hasn't been on my YouTube yet. So, there you go. All right, I got it cleaned up, guys, because I am, like, seriously nasty. Head to toe nasty, sweaty, grimy, dirty, wet, like, nasty. So, I'll go upstairs, get a shower, do some stuff I need to do today. Hope you guys are having a good one, and I will catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.